Hi, I'm Frederikke, the founder of Roccamore, and today I want to take you behind the scenes of the Roccamore production. When I created Roccamore, my main mission was to bring comfort into high heels and break the stereotype of what wearing heels would mean to women. I also knew that my shoes had to be of high quality, so women can enjoy the comfort of my shoes for a very long time. This is why I decided that I want them to be handmade by real people with real craftsmanship. It all starts with a drawing, an idea that I lay down on paper, which will later become reality. After I've thought of the designs of the shoes, the first step is to create a last of the future shoe. The last is carved in wood using a special machine to take the approximate shape that it needs, after which it is perfected by hand by our wonderful modellista, who makes sure that every single measurement is correct. When the last is ready and approved, it is duplicated many times in plastic and used later as a mold for the shoe in production. Before a shoe can be assembled, all the needed elements have to be ready, such as an outer and an inner sole, the heels, the uppers, and all small details like bows and buckles. These elements are all produced in different factories, and the assembly of a shoe cannot start before they are all ready and are delivered to the final factory. The leather plays a big role in the production of a shoe. Every single piece has to go through multiple checks to make sure that the quality is really up to standard. It is then packed and sent to a different factory, where it is cut out and stitched together to create the upper of a shoe. The uppers are then sent to the final location, the production belt, where the shoes are being assembled after all the elements are ready. The first step in the assembly process is shaping the uppers and the last to create the form of the future shoe. Most of the process is done by hand, using only human-operated machinery to really ensure that the elements are secured in place. In the next step, the excess material is being removed and the bottoms are then roughened up to make sure that the surface is smooth enough so that the outer sole can stick better to the bottom of the shoe. Meanwhile, glue is applied to the soles and left to dry for a few minutes before applying it to the shoe. Now, the shoe is ready for the heel to be applied. It is first nailed to the base of the shoe, then reinforced, using a lot of pressure to make sure it stays in place. Now that the structure of the shoe is ready, we're moving on to one of the most important steps in the production of a Roccamore shoe, the application of our special insole. The glue is applied to the insole and then it's carefully placed inside, making sure that it is leveled and stuck well. The last steps are applying the final touches, like brushing and ironing the leather, cleaning the soles, and making sure there are no imperfections. When that's done, the shoes are then being carefully packed and now they're ready to ship. So this is how a Roccamore shoe is done. As you can see, it's a long and complex process. That's why it takes so much time for a shoe to be ready. But since quality and comfort are our main priorities, we think the wait is totally worth it. We hope you enjoyed going on this small virtual voyage with us, and we thank you for watching.